In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find all the Jira issues you created. If you've ever tried to track down an older bug report, check on a story you opened, or quickly pull up every task you personally created in Jira, you already know how messy that can feel when you're digging through large backlogs. The good news is that Jira gives you a couple of simple built-in ways to do this, and once you know where to look, it becomes much faster and much more reliable. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Jira site, or sign in through the standard Atlassian login page using your own account. After your dashboard loads, look up at the top navigation bar because that's where we'll access both of the fastest methods. The first method is the quickest one. In the top left area of the navigation bar, click on Your Work. In that menu, look for an option like Reported by Me or Created by Me. When you select it, Jira will automatically open a list of issues associated with you as the creator. This is the fastest path when you just want a personal view without building a custom search. If you need more control, move back to the top menu and click Filters, then choose Advanced Issue Search or View All Issues. This takes you into the Issue Navigator, where you can search more precisely and sort your results in useful ways. Once you're in that screen, look toward the upper right area and click Switch to JQL. This changes the search into Jira Query Language, which gives you a direct way to filter your issues. In the search field, type creator equals current user, 消息. That query tells Jira to show only issues created by the account you're currently signed in with. If you want to narrow the list even further, you can add more conditions. For example, after that query, type and status, done. Order by created DS. This version filters out completed items and sorts the newest issues first, which is especially helpful if you're reviewing active work. Then click the search button to run the filter. After the results appear, take a moment to review the table and make sure the information you care about is visible, such as issue keys, summaries, statuses, and assignees. If this is a view you'll want to reuse later, click Save Filter near the top of the page, give it a short descriptive name, and save it so you can return to it anytime without rebuilding the search. That's it. You now know how to quickly find every Jira issue you've created, whether you want a fast shortcut or a more advanced filtered view. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next